In the following session, we build a fun simulation for Professor Know-It-All using the VLOOKUP function. The simulation enables the professor to call on students in her class at random. Professor Know-It-All, who teaches an elective course, has approached us for help. She has a class of 20 students and needs an Excel-based simulation for her class. The names of those 20 students is in an Excel file, student names. Let us open that file. The name of the file is student names. So this file consists of 20 students who are attending Professor Know-It-All's elective course. So what she wants is, she wants a system whereby on a press of a button, she is able to call upon a student at random. So that she presses a button, the name of a student at random pops up in the spreadsheet. So then she can call on that student to come in front of the class and present the lesson. So we'll implement the system for her using the VLOOKUP command. In conjunction with the VLOOKUP command, we'll use yet another command called the RANDBetween command. This command takes in two inputs. The first input is called bottom, the other top. So what this command does is, it generates a random number between the two numbers, the bottom and the top. We'll use this command inside a VLOOKUP command to implement Professor Know-It-All's request. So we begin with an is equal to VLOOKUP, open parenthesis, what is my lookup value? Now this is where we'll use the RANDBetween command. My RANDBetween command will generate a lookup value. RANDBetween, and RANDBetween what two numbers? A random number between what two numbers? Since I have 20 students, serial number 1 all the way to 20, so my bottom and top numbers are 1 and 20. 1, 20. So my lookup value is a random number, an integer random number between 1 and 20. So that's the number that will generate. Then where do I need to look this value? My lookup table is this table here, the student name along with their serial numbers. So my VLOOKUP command will generate a random number between 1 and 20 and go to this table. In the very first column of this table, match up the number generated, which is between 1 and 20, and then I wish to output the name which is in the second column of my lookup table. So I give a number 2 there. My column index number is 2. And it really doesn't matter whether I put a false or a true after that. So let me just put false, which is an exact match, and I close parenthesis. So once again, we look up a random number between 1 and 20, which generates the lookup value for this table. Now when I press enter, the VLOOKUP command in conjunction with the RANDBetween command picks up a name at random from the list of 20 names. And if I wish to generate further names at random, all I need to do is press the key F9 on my keyboard. So every time I press the key F9, the system would generate yet another name at random from the list of students in Professor Know-It-All's class. So what we have done is, we have helped Professor Know-It-All implement what she wanted to do.